Today I'm unboxing mystery a mystery dragon 3D printed one. The one that I'm hoping for is the this one right here, this blue. So let's go. Alright. Here's the thing. It's a little ripped. Okay, so it's a blind bag too.
Oh, it looks like she's ready for her to play something for her.
Who?
Oh. Looks like she's waiting for Vanessa to play something.
It's a green and purple dragon. It has blue eyes. Look at all that.
Oh, you wanna take one? Come on.
Okay, let me know in the comments if I should keep collecting more when I get the money. Because this, oh my god, is so cute. And I love it.
Oh, it's just dead.
It
Oh,
looks
okay.
like a fan. So, this is the rare one, I think. Yeah, this is the rare one. It's cute. I love it. So please comment down below if you think I should get more. So, bye.